Today we are going to look how to enter numeric values in MS Excel. We entered some text values in the prior video. Now we want to add some numeric values. So I am going to open the file that I saved in the previous video. To open the file, click File and then Open. Select the file from the list or search for File. So this is the document which I created. I enter some text data here. When we click any cell, the cell number will be shown in this box. Now I am going to put some numeric values for that we were spending for each bill. So these are the values that representing the amount that we were spent for each bill. Did you see any difference between the text values and the numeric values? Text values are all left aligned and numeric values comes in right aligned. If I add some decimal values to this, I am going to add 0.55 to this. And in this cell, I alter it by adding 0.25. And the decimal values are still right aligned. And the decimal places are nice and clean. And let's see how it looks when the values become left aligned. So in order to do that, go Home tab. In this tab, there is an alignment section and I am going to click the left alignment. Now see, the decimal places are no longer straight. So that's why the numeric values are right aligned. And go back to right alignment. Press Ctrl plus Z for undo. In order to remove the decimal place, just undo again.